Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I included this product link in the description to find the most up-to-date pricing. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. Danby Designer DCR-04482BDD. The Danby Designer DCR-04482BDD compact refrigerator can be easily described as a counter-high refrigerator designed to provide large storage area within a compact environment. This mini fridge comes in numerous storage size variants ranging from 1.6 cubic feet to 4.4 cubic feet. The storage areas within this compact refrigerator are intricately designed to give maximum storage options with minimal elements. It also features a can-store beverage dispenser that designed specifically for storage of canned beverages and can hold up to 8 cans. This mini fridge also features a 2.5 glass shelf design that offers increased storage versatility coupled with the ability to accurately control the temperatures within the mini fridge through the included mechanical thermostat, which is integrated with a simple push-to-defrost button. This appliance is ENERGY STAR rated, which essentially means that it is going to provide you with maximum efficiency with affordable energy consumption. It also features a reversible and convenient door hinge that allows it to be configured for both left-handed and right-handed openings. The mini fridge also ships with a rather generous 18-month warranty on parts within home service. I have included this product link in the description. You can check out this link for more information and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.